her trying to get them fired because they have a farm of their own to go to. She laughs, saying that she's seen lots of men with that dream.